Let the music take control. Positive vibes only. Wake up in the morning, see the sun arise. Wipe the heavy teardrops right out of your eyes. Don't you let the system lock you in a cage. It's time to turn the leaf and start a brand new page. The world is spinning fast, people running in a race, but they forget the beauty of this holy place. So take a deep breath, let the healing start. Listen to the rhythm beating in your heart. Free your mind and let your spirit fly. No more clouds up in your stormy sky. Feel the bass line moving through your soul. Let the sweet reggae music make you whole. Yeah, yeah, make you whole. They want you to worry about the things you cannot change, but love is the only power we need to rearrange. You don't need a fortune just to feel alright, just a little peace of mind underneath the moonlight. So dance with your brother, smile with your sister too. No matter where you're from, this message is for you. One love, one destiny, standing side by side. We're floating on the rhythm of this rising tide. Free your mind and let your spirit fly. No more clouds up in your stormy sky. Feel the bass line moving through your soul. Let the sweet reggae music make you whole. Tempo cools down, every dub delay on the bumper. Rastafari vibration, yeah. Step out of the darkness, step into the light. Everything is gonna be alright. Just hold on tight. Stand out alright. Free your mind and let your spirit fly. No more clouds up in your stormy sky. Feel the bass line moving through your soul. Let the sweet reggae music make you whole. Free your mind, my friend. Let the music set you free. One love, one heart. It's bed. Tips for singing this. Emphasize the one drop rhythm. Keep the rhythm relaxed and slightly behind the beat. Vocal texture. Channel ya in about Marley or Chronics. Keep it warm, smooth, and full of soul.